Okay, benefits of homeownership part 2. Plumbing crisis continues. This is one of the pipes that they have replaced. Here's all the crap. They're coming back tomorrow to hopefully finish the job. And there's more. And the hole. And then you can see the new pipes. And keep going in the garage. More mountains of crap. Literally crap. And then we walk inside. Another pipe here that goes through the laundry room, which we'll basically have to replace and gut. Open the door here, and if you open it up, this is in the laundry room. There, and there's more crap. So basically all of this flooring will have to get replaced eventually. But there are some benefits of having things go wrong, as you get sympathy. And my parents are in town, and we have a brand new, and Lisa, 8 months.
Ellie.
And we have a brand new Weber grill.
Weber.
And some steaks. And we did some landscaping all weekend.
So then, do I spray?
Say hi, Dad.
Yeah, if you want to start.
Dad, say hi.
Okay.
And then we've got 12 bags of yard waste. And up here, you can't really see, but we've got like 10 different bushes of branches and trees that we've cut. That's it.